is winning those first balls now. 2-0. It's all on the visitors. I told him that we put such store in their Champions League games. They didn't have to travel as far. We thought they may be fresher. It's the Sounders who have called the tune in their home fortress. To also change in a moment as Ryan Johnson will hang it in there. There's a hand from Kugermans. Quite what he was thinking.
In a situation where the linesman was calling for offside, but the ball was passed back by Brad Evans. So he lets it play on, and then in the end, fortunately, it ends up in the hands of Spurning.
She's like a cat. Uh-oh.
Matado intercepting. More work to do though. We'll see how tough this is. Still back when he kicks it in as well. There's the pocket rocket. David Estrada winning a free kick. The boy can do no wrong.
Well, David clears the ball, off of somebody's face there.
I wonder why she fighted this with Sam.
He's going to have to see a little bit of dentistry there in the near future.
We're going to see the final change. And it's going to be João Plata coming on. And Eric Avila. His day is done. João Plata, the Ecuadorian, he is a pint pot size, 5'2", or as you might say, 16 ounce size. Cultural difference number one.
Good, quick, tricky play, great one-on-one ability. Really a tough task now for the Sounders there on the left side.
It's a free kick which Rosales will have. Hurtado up for this one, as is Ayala. Pointing towards Hurtado. So comfortably clear their lines. Coach has a runner in Montero, and onto the 1-2-2, and the free kick for offside. So onto FC.
You like a chicken there. You like a chicken there.